Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display the Bluetooth icon on your Windows 10 taskbar. Let's get started. First, let's make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Here's how. Open the settings again by pressing the Windows key plus I. Once in Settings, go to Devices. In the left sidebar, select Bluetooth and other devices. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. If it's off, simply toggle it to on. Now that Bluetooth is turned on, let's make sure the Bluetooth icon appears on your taskbar. Here's how. Go back to the settings again, then click on Personalization. Then click on Taskbar in the left menu. Scroll down to the notification area and click Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in this list. After doing these steps, the Bluetooth icon should appear on your taskbar. That's it. You should now see the Bluetooth icon on your Windows 10 taskbar. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.